Repeated addition is a fun way of counting. It's a simple and exciting method that makes learning math enjoyable. It is like adding the same number again and again. Imagine you have a group of friends and each friend has the same number of candies. Let's say you have groups of toys. Each group has the same number of toys, making it easy to count them using repeated addition. Each group has the same number of toys. For example, if you have 5 groups and each group has 3 toys, you can add 3 5 times. Repeated addition helps us count all the toys in all the groups. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 15 toys in total. We do this by adding the number of toys in one group as many times as there are groups. This method is not only useful for toys, but also for counting other items like books, fruits, or even stars in the sky. Repeated addition makes counting groups easy and fun. Repeated addition helps us understand multiplication. It's a fundamental concept that lays the groundwork for more complex math skills. By practicing repeated addition, we start to see patterns and relationships between numbers. This not only makes multiplication easier but also enhances our overall number sense. It's like a stepping stone to becoming math whizzes. Imagine playing hopscotch and counting the squares you hop on. Each hop is like adding one more to your total. Before you know it, you're adding numbers quickly and efficiently, which is the essence of multiplication. When we learn repeated addition, we are learning to multiply without even realizing it. For instance, if you pick 3 oranges each day for a week, you can use repeated addition to find out how many oranges you have in total. 3 oranges each day for 7 days is like adding 3 7 times, which is the same as multiplying 3 by 7. Knowing repeated addition makes it easier to solve problems in our daily lives. Whether it's figuring out how many apples you need for a recipe, or dividing tasks among friends, repeated addition is a handy tool. It helps us break down complex problems into simpler, manageable steps. For example, if we want to divide cookies equally among friends, repeated addition can help us do that. If you have 12 cookies and 4 friends, you can use repeated addition to ensure everyone gets an equal share. By adding 3 cookies at a time, you can see that each friend gets 3 cookies. This practical application shows how repeated addition is not just a math concept, but a useful life skill. Let's imagine for a moment that we are in a beautiful orchard surrounded by rows and rows of orange shining, and the air is filled with the sweet scent of citrus. We have just picked 12 of the juiciest, most vibrant oranges you can imagine. They are laid out on the table, glistening in the sun. 3 empty baskets in front of us, and our goal is to divide these 12 oranges equally among the 3 baskets. You might be wondering, how do we go about doing that? It's a simple yet interesting problem. Start by placing 4 oranges into the first basket. 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 1 basket filled. So we have 4 oranges in the first basket, looking bright and ready to be enjoyed. Next we take another 4 oranges basket. Now we have 2 baskets, each with 4 oranges. Finally, we place the remaining 4 oranges into the third basket. All 3 baskets now have an equal number of oranges. That 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. This is a perfect example of repeated addition, which is a fundamental concept in mathematics. It's not just about numbers, it's about understanding how things can be See? Repeated addition makes counting much easier and faster. Instead of counting each orange one by one, we can add the same number multiple times. You can practice repeated addition with your toys, crayons, or even your favorite snacks. Just remember, keep practicing and soon you'll be a repeated addition superstar.